How to change language on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change a language on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply open up TikTok on your mobile phone and it will open up your For You page, of course. Now we can change a language for our TikTok app and we can also change, of course, it will change the language for our videos that we watch as well. So to do that, you will have to go to your profile. Once you are on your profile, then what I want you guys to do is simply click on these three lines at the top right corner of your screen right here, and it will open up Creator Tools and Settings and Privacy. So click on Settings and Privacy, and now you just have to scroll down and you will find App Language. Here it is, Content and Activity. So we have App Language. You can see right here it says English, and this is like everything is in English. So I'm gonna click right here on App Language, and now I can select from any language. All the languages are available, almost all the languages. So now you can actually change your TikTok to Spanish, French, and Chinese if you want, Italian, and then we have other languages as well. So you can just select the language you want and click on done, and then your app language will be changed. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, turn on bell notification, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.